Hey, Mahomes here from V8 Video Academy with another Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in today's video I want to show you how to use Adobe's Dynamic Link feature. Now if you don't know, Dynamic Link allows you to create an animation in Adobe After Effects, bring that animation straight into Premiere without rendering out of After Effects, and then if you want to make changes to your animation you can make those in After Effects and the changes will be instantly updated in Premiere. So as you can see, this will save you a huge amount of time and frustration. So let's dive into Premiere and After Effects right now. So inside Premiere here I've got my timeline ready and I want to bring in an animation that I've created in After Effects. So if we quickly jump over to After Effects, you can see I've got a very simple animation here and I want to bring this into my timeline in Premiere. And once you've created your animation, make sure that it's saved as an After Effects project, and then we'll jump back into Premiere. So here in Premiere, to bring our animation into our timeline, what we need to do is go up to File and click on Adobe Dynamic Link, and we're going to import After Effects composition. So we'll click on that and it's going to bring up a box here for us. So we need to find our After Effects file. Now mine is stored in this folder here and inside the graphics folder, and it's called Premiere Pro Videos After Effects. I'm going to click that and there's my composition there, Dynamic Link Video. So we can click on that and press OK. Now our animation is inside Premiere, so if we just double click this, it's going to bring it up in the source window for us. We can have a play through and there it is. Great, so I'm going to bring this into my timeline. I'm just going to zoom in here a bit so we can see what we've got. Bring that up. Okay, so there we go. So that's our little animation inside Premiere. Now if I wanted to go and change a colour or any part of this animation at all I have to do is jump back into After Effects, and let's say I wanted to change the colour of the background. So I'm just going to come up to solid settings here and we're going to change it to purple. So OK and OK. Make sure you press save to save the file again. OK, jump back into Premiere and there we go, it's automatically instantly updated all the changes that I've made in After Effects. And this will save you a ton of time because you won't have to re-render the animation out of After Effects and then re-import it into Premiere. Instead you just make the changes in After Effects and they're automatically updated in Premiere. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for more. If you have any questions or comments at all, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave them below. And if you want to take your video skills to the next level, head on over to v8videoacademy.com where I've got tons of resources, guides and tutorials to help you become a better video creator. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.